What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Today we are in our little grocery store filled with mini brands because we're checking out mini brands. There was a sale. Zuru Mini Brand Series 5 was just on sale on Amazon for $10 and some change for a 2-pack. So I took the opportunity to add to our collection. There are 90 plus minis to collect, including ultra rare Frozen Moment minis. So let's pull the tab and remove the wrapper to see what we got. We've got 5 bags and a collector's guide. This series has a lot of soda cans, and I'm hoping we find some today because I have a project that I want to do. So let's get started and open our first bag, which is Campbell's Chunky Beef with Country Vegetables. Our next bag has a box of beef broth. We get this one a lot. And this is Fruit Loops. I love cereal boxes, but it's not a can, and we're looking for cans today. So this is candy. Well, we do have a little candy section right here, so that's not too bad. And our last one, this might be a can. Please say you can be a can. Yes, it's a can of Sprite. Okay, we got one. Now we need a double. Say what now? Opening a second capsule. In this bag, we will find, peanut butter crackers, where we can actually see the crackers on the inside. This is my first time getting one of these. This is cute. Here it is with the doll. They do seem a little overscaled to me, unless that's how they are now. I haven't seen one in a while, but we're still gonna use them. And if we get a double, I'm opening one. And in this bag, we find Airheads Extremes. Good thing we have a candy section. Here we have Cape Cod Original Sea Salt Potato Chips. Lots of little snack items for the dolls. Opening the next bag. Yay! We got a can of soda, Coca-Cola Zero Sugar. The last one feels like a box. Yup. It's a tiny FedEx box, and inside we have a tiny Hershey syrup. It's a good size for mini dolls like Lakitos. Lakitos are action figure dolls that are around 6.5 inches. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. We have a full video on YouTube. On a side note, these are like my go-to travel dolls at the moment. I like the molded hair. It's just one less thing I have to deal with when I'm out. And they fit in a pencil case. And if I wanted a 1/6 scale doll, I might just have to take Ken out with me next time with that sculpted hair. Sorry, where was I? Oh yeah, mini brands. Let's open a third capsule. In our first bag, we have Campbell's Skillet. This is one that we get a lot. And this one is a bottle of Sprite. I think they do such a good job with all those tiny details. Then we have more candy. Campbell's Heat Sip and Go Classic Tomato. This one is a new one for me. I haven't seen this before. And look at the top. The dolls can sip the soup. And this bag is a FedEx box. I am hoping there is some nail polish inside. All right, here we go. Please be nail polish. It's a mini box of Fruit Loops. In the comments, some of you said that these could be used as those single serving boxes, which I think is a good idea because I think they're a little small even for mini dolls. Opening capsule number 4. I do love a good sale. And here we have a double of the classic tomato soup. Okay. In the next bag, we have another double Sprite again. All right. What a coincidence. All right, we just got those 2 in the last capsule. And this is, it better not be. It is. It's another double from the last capsule. If this is a box of mini cereal, okay, it's a FedEx box. Does it have mini cereal inside? Does it have Fruit Loops inside? Okay, it's different. We got a mini Slurpee. Okay, which is mini doll size. And the last one from this capsule is Cape Cod Original Sea Salt Potato Chips, which is also a double. You all know that when it comes to mini brands, getting doubles is a thing. After seeing the cans of Olipop at Target, they've got Barbie Peaches and Cream. I was thinking all soda cans look pretty much the same. For the most part, it's a silver can with a label. So if we get doubles, could we just change the label? Let's find out, cause I made a printable. Totally inspired by Olipop, I made a few Froggy Pop labels for mini brand soda cans. I haven't tested it yet, so let's see how it goes. I did add a little 1-inch measurement here, so let's line that up with a ruler to make sure it's printing at the right size. Let's cut one out to see if it fits around the can. I cut it right at the outside line. Now we can wrap it around the can to see how it looks. The ends meet up perfectly in the back, but I think we might want some overlap. And we can see a little of the original label at the top. So we would have to remove the original label or make our label taller and hope that we can neatly cover that bend. Let's go ahead and experiment right quick before we make any new changes to the printable. I'm using a glue stick on the back of the printable. Then let's add the printable to the can right at the top. Wrap it around. Then let's bend over the top and try to get it to be somewhat neat. I don't know about that. Actually, it's not too bad. I very carefully just smoothed out the wrinkles at the top while the glue from the glue stick was still wet. And I think it works. We can see a little bit of the label at the bottom, so I'll probably make it a tiny bit longer. But as for overlapping in the back, I mean, it does a little bit, and I don't think we need it to overlap too much. Since this is our test run, let's see if we can make it shiny by adding a little tape. I added clear packing tape, carefully trim off the excess, then let's push it down to cover the bend. I'm getting wrinkles. I made a few cuts in the tape, and it's still not as neat as I would like. However, it does make it shiny. Let's remove it from the can. I adjusted the printable to make it a little larger. Now we can cut it out and try again. Let's add glue to the back, just like before. Line it up with the nutrition facts, then lay down the side with the blank edge first. Then wrap the rest of the label around the can. And there's a tiny overlap now. Now let's just smooth over the top. This does take a minute, and I'm just patient and trying not to tear the paper. Right now, I can still remove the paper label and have the original mini brand underneath. But I'm going to brush mine with a little clear nail polish to give it a shine. But it also made some of the paper transparent in some of the spots. We can try Mod Podge, but sometimes the ink will run. I'm probably going to stick with nail polish or just keep it as regular paper. Let's cut out the other labels and glue them onto the cans to give the dolls a little more variety. So this can has a little shine to it and this one doesn't. But I think either one can totally work in the dollhouse. And I think I was a little too quick to judge the painted one because as I've given it longer to dry, it's starting to look better. So I'm painting another one. Ooh, I hope that dries good. I'm adding my Froggy Pop orange label to a can of orange Fanta, then allow them to dry. Since I had some extra space on the printable, I added some Froggy Pop wall art that we can cut out and glue onto layers of cardstock or a piece of foam board to make wall art for the dollhouse. And if we can cover cans, can't we cover books? I made a dust jacket that we can cut out and fold on the lines so we can place it around a mini brand's book. Hello, excuse to open more mini brands. I'm opening a mini brand's books. I'm looking for a hardcover book. We've got Goosebumps. It's a paperback. So let's keep looking. And the next one is The Twits, a another paperback. Then we have, what's this? Burn Book. While I am excited to get this one, again, it's a paperback. And our last one is Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Yeah! And a bookmark. These are hardcover books and just the right size, I think, for our printable. So if we get a double, we can just place our little dust jacket right over the edges of the cover to look like a different book. This one is a tiny bit long, so some trimming might be required. But adding a jacket is a fantastic solution for those double books, giving us more things to do with our mini brands. Love it! Thank you for joining us. While we customized a few minis, our printable is available on our blog, MyFroggyStuff.blogspot.com, to download for free. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.